Go.
The zombie outbreak has continued. As you can see, that is the result. Okay. We are getting to the weather. We are getting some severe hailstorms at the side of cars, which have appeared to be zombies. We are raining zombies just like Sharknado, which is the worst movie I've ever seen. Okay. They are everywhere.
Do we have a crowd?
We got some crazy zombie fans over in the back row. Okay, and as I said, the weather today is going to be a slight sprinkle rain of zombies coming down in the mid.
Slight sprinkle. Slight chance.
And a slight chance of sprinkling zombies. Then, tomorrow we are going to have a nice hailstorm of knives, and
that's cool.
Well, and the next day. So remember to.